How to use the IRS2Go application or the website to check refund status for your refund you filed online on this website. Where is my refund provides a personalized date of the return is processed and a refund is approved. Here is few reasons a tax refund may take longer for the return may include errors or be incomplete. The return could be affected by identity threat or fraud. Many banks do not process payment on the weekend or holidays. The IRS will contact taxpayers by mail if more information is needed to process their tax return. Taxpayers who claim the money can expect to get their refund from March 1. If they file their return online, they choose to get their refund by direct deposit. There is IRS found no issues with their return. So in this situation, we will just get the return within about 24 hours after IRS acknowledge the receipt of an electronically filed return or 4 weeks after the taxpayer mails a paper in return. So this is how you can exactly do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.